I've met, worked with, and studied the top YouTube business gurus, and I discovered something interesting. They're all using the same strategy to dominate YouTube. I've taken everything they're doing and put it into a simple one-page YouTube plan that you can use to blow up your business channel today. If you've been struggling to grow on YouTube, this is going to change everything. This plan only has 2 steps. Step 1, create the 3 foundational videos your channel needs to stand out. Step 2 is to follow the proven content strategy that will help you create consistent content and blow up your channel. When someone discovers your channel, they're not just looking for information. They're trying to decide if you're someone they can trust before they even watch your content. Think about it. How many business channels have you clicked on, watched for 30 seconds, and now you can't remember who they were? That's because most people skip this important step, building a connection. You can give all the answers in your videos, but people still won't care until they know who you are and what makes you credible. When you share your journey, your struggles, your breakthroughs, the moments that transformed your business, your viewers start seeing themselves in your story. They realize you've walked the path they're on right now. This first video that you need is what I call a strategic story asset video. Let me show you how to create this strategic story asset. This isn't just your journey. It's a carefully crafted narrative that positions you as the obvious choice in your market. Let me prove why this works. Look at these 2 videos on Laura Acosta's channel. Both teach LinkedIn strategies, but notice how the title 3 Simple Steps to Become a LinkedIn Lead Machine versus I blew up my LinkedIn following as fast as I could. The how-to video got 23,000 views. The story video, 147,000 views. That's a 539% increase with the same core content. Why? Because people connect with the person, not the process. When you structure your story correctly, it does 3 things simultaneously. Builds instant credibility, creates emotional connection, and demonstrates transformation. Your potential clients aren't just looking for information. They're looking for someone they can trust. Here's exactly how you create your story video. First, you want to aim for about 10 to 20 minutes. This length gives you enough time to build a hero's journey without losing your audience's attention. Your video needs 3 specific acts, timed perfectly. Act 1, share the specific struggles that your ideal client is facing right now. Make them think this person gets me and they know exactly what I'm going through. Act 2, reveal the turning points. Focus on the realization that changed everything. Act 3, show your transformation, but structure it as their future success story. Here's a great example of a story video title for one of my favorite content creators out there, David Choi. How I closed my first 100,000 deal through cold calling in X months. These titles work because they promise both a story and a transformation. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability. When you open up about the mistakes or doubts, you're not losing authority. You're building trust. People don't relate to perfection. They relate to progress. Because at the end of the day, people don't just buy into strategies, they buy into stories they see themselves in. The second video that every successful business channel needs will surprise you. Here's why this video is so powerful. This video will have the most positive comment section on your channel. I call this the Value Vault video. Think of it as your 30 to 40 minute guide that covers a core topic in your industry that answers almost every question your audience has. Most people make the mistake of selling too hard in their videos, which results in viewers clicking off the video, therefore hurting your performance, but most importantly, hurting the brand. To make your Value Vault video truly impactful, focus on taking your core expertise, the one thing you know better than anyone else. But here's the key. You need to balance the how-to with the why it matters. Break it down step by step, but don't overwhelm your viewers with too much of the technical jargon all at once. Provide enough actionable advice so they feel empowered to take the first steps. The goal is to make this video so valuable that it feels like a free course. Make them think this is exactly what I needed. Look at some of the most successful business channels right now. They all have that one giant video that breaks down their core expertise. Notice how these videos balance teaching valuable steps while keeping the viewer engaged with the bigger picture of what's possible. What makes the Value Vault video so powerful is that you're not just getting views, you're building authority. Remember, this video becomes the foundation for your entire channel. Every future video you create, make sure you take all that traffic and link it back to this valuable video, because the YouTube algorithm loves it when someone stays on the platform. Session time is the total time a viewer spends on YouTube after watching your video. If your content leads viewers to continue watching more videos on the platform, YouTube sees this as a positive signal. We'll cover the YouTube algorithm in a future video. I'll be sure to link it right up here or in the description right below. Now here's where things get really interesting. While your story video creates connections and your value vault video builds authority, this third type of video is what actually explodes your channel's growth. These videos are codependent on one another. You can't just rely on one and expect your channel to blow up. The last video is an outlier based video. These are usually 8 to 15 minutes and are designed to capture attention and flood new viewers to your channel. They work in any niche because they tap into proven viral formats that are already working. Have you noticed how certain video titles seem to be copied and pasted across different niches, but still consistently rack up views? There's a science behind why these videos work, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this strategy to grow your channel. First, you need to understand what an outlier-based video is. It's simply a video that outperforms all the other videos on a channel in terms of views. Think of a channel that averages about 10K views per video. An outlier video would be the next video they post that gets 50K views or more. What makes these videos different is they tap into proven frameworks that are already proven to work. Think about titles like The 7 Best Ways to X. These titles consistently perform because they combine curiosity with a clear promise of value. Here's some examples. Alex Hormozi has consistently been reusing his best titles in different ways to generate millions of views. You'll see a video on the left titled How to Get So Rich You Question the Meaning of Making Money, posted about a year ago with an outlier score of 15.9. So a rehash of the title is the one on the right that was posted about a month ago with the title How to Make Money So Fast It Feels Illegal. This works because you're taking formats that already have proven success in other niches or your own channel, and you're tailoring them specifically to your topic and experience. The proven structure stays the same. You're just changing the context. These videos act like magnets, pulling in viewers who might have never found your channel otherwise. Once they're hooked, you guide them to your value vault video and story videos, creating a complete viewer's journey. Remember, you're not sacrificing value for views here. You're just packaging your expertise in a way that's proven to capture attention. I promise you that every single top business channel uses this exact same strategy. Now that you understand the 3 types of videos every successful business channel needs, I'm going to tell you what brings it all together. And this is where most channels get it wrong. What you need is a proven strategy, one that maximizes growth, trust, and sales. This strategy allows you to create the right kind of content while avoiding the biggest mistakes most business channels make. Without following this overall strategy, even your best videos will struggle to gain traction. But when you use it, your content not only gets views, but also converts viewers into clients and loyal followers month after month. This is a strategy that separates channels that plateau from those that keep growing month after month. Here's how to balance your content. You want 33% of your videos to be case study videos. These are the backbone of your proof. They show real results and experiences, ideally showing off your customer success stories. Another 33% should be tutorials and how-to videos. These videos nurture your audience and build trust. They show viewers you're not just here for the views, you're here to provide real value. And the final 33% should be broad attention-grabbing content. These are your outlier-based videos that bring in views and new audiences. If you're posting 3 videos a month, the first would be a case study like how this fitness coach tripled his business in 30 days. It proves your credibility. The second video would be a how-to or tutorial value-based video like how to close deals fast. It builds trust and nurtures your audience. And the third would be an outlier-based video like I called 500 leads in 30 days. It grabs attention and brings in new viewers. This works because each type of content you post supports each other. Your broad-based videos bring in new viewers, your tutorials turn them into subscribers, and your case studies convert those into clients. With this strategy, you're not just chasing views or focusing on one goal. You're moving your customers through a buyer's journey. This takes all the guesswork out of what to post next, because each type of content has a clear purpose in your channel's growth and your business's success. If you want to download this one-page YouTube plan, click the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.